see talent when the what people just take away.
Just decide to kill anyhow. I mean, one of the best rappers in the entire continent of Africa.
You know,
one of the people we don't give up African pride now.
Heavy
AKA big to the point where we say, you know, this Comedy Central, they do the roast of AKA.
Yeah, I remember.
You know how big it will be for them to do roast of one particular person. And then in roast self, they bring Davido as guest and all that, you know. So I don't know what the issue be, but I mean, come on, to take somebody life.
Yeah. You know, sometimes we need to be careful on top actions and decisions we take on other people, because that action and decision will become heavy reaction when it go detrimental to a lot of people around us.
Exactly.
You get
That's
me?
true.
Then also, even talking about the loss of life too, another South African artist also slum and died over the weekend, Costa Tish. And the most painful part now say that guy was a dancer to this Caspar Noves. Caspar Noves. You get was a dancer before he make it breakthrough through singing. I make you notice all his crew now dancers they be. Now just few weeks before he slump and die, he can just sign and they do remix to the that song went there everywhere right now. Not only for him to the perform on stage. The guy went there with, I believe, the hype man raised her up. If you watch the video, the next year after you just pause more, now it take go like this. Then all this the conversation went there. Some useless people were not guessing. They conclude say, oh, maybe not something. Intake this and that, but we they forget say all these artists sometimes they go day road no stop without having a good rest. The body go certainly break at one point, not because they take anything.
You don't even need to go fast. Shebi Made Kuti come here the other time when he talk about the tour when you're in Papa Femi go.
Yeah.
When he talk about say any small chance where you see to sleep.
It's the inside boss or inside airport.
Inside boss, you go need to take him because the stress. What would they ask at that time? The kind of stress when he described the stress when they go through. You got one time patron can come here where me and he say okay, he say one CMD, you can't go downstairs, can't see. We're going to talk about. In the term, I say man, all the travel that way part today in the height of if you just a talk complain say man, he don't tire. Say I got another booking when you need to try. For him just asking the whole thing when they talk now complain. I don't tire, but I need to travel.
And I don't know why it easy and quick for us to conclude say, oh, now drugs.
Now the thing where we they like that. No, with the,
even some of this guy, don't know say sometimes this guy is there on the road for a long time. The next picture when you see them, you know, see they don't slim down, they don't reduce. Now the stress.
Now our nature to first of all jump into the wrong conclusion to see bad in anything way you see first. You gonna need to reset people's head, talk plenty before they can say okay.
Oh, not be lie. Oh.
Now the normal nature of especially
but
an African person.
Yeah, they come on with us as black people.
Now bad thing first they see. If you fall for nasty now, they wonder how be don't go take something for that.
When make a fall.
I don't think and that's maybe I be share misbehave.
No, you're not going to
now the negative go first come until somebody else go explain first. And our nature be that.
That's now why it is very, very important to do regular checks. That's why they get managers, they get management. So when they're on the road like that, it's important make their management always make sure say then do normal checks so that if anything they wrong at that point in time, they wrong bad for them to say the artists know they feel fine, they're in a good shape to perform. So if it better make them do refund because at least now artists where they are alive now go perform rather than to get this kind of thing because I sure say they don't pay them heavy for this show that show already. Then this kind of thing can't happen.
It
would not be show AK also they go for not many of the shows go eat
for restaurant. When we talk this guy with that yesterday, I can't tell the DJ one story of Lil Kim, the rapper, Little Kim. So I remember one story of when she slumped one time like that for America. So what happened?
Now she get big.
No. Now rapper she.
I know her, but she get big front. She get big front.
Lil Kim that time she hot. No, she be like the queen of rap at one point.
They rap with them big that time. Yeah, I know.
So she collapsed one time for. So I think I see this squad ahead. I think at 99 or 98, something like 98, 99. She performed for stage. She can't collapse. They can't rush and go hospital. Yeah. So they call you and say when they check and doctor say they pump out half a glass of semen from your body.
Semen?
Half a glass.
What did she do before she climbs stage?
She overtake before she climbs stage. So energy no take.
Oh, stress. Now manager.
So I kind of wonder, half a glass Maybe one person they put half a glass. So.
No, one person be depending on how long it don't take.
Okay, so if you all your sorrow, I don't.
You just throw and for that to happen before show, maybe say you don't take when I see you. Oh my body they do jiggy.
So part of the reviving whatever they did, they say they pump out half a glass
of semen.
Say, I go down and say, you need to watch the way they take.
I don't get experience with that.
When I tell the they shout, hey.
I beg you, but that's that whole passing out on stage don't do me. We travel go Ghana. I think that the second to the last day we did on top stage. I just know say my eye can't they turn me, then I can't they fall backwards. So thankfully the people where they
around you support you,
support me. So even when make me sit down, I be one get up. Popsy look me say make I sit down.
Me
I no stand up.
Because if you stand up again,
so I still hold the mic. So they call the pastor call signal in protocol. So make them bring water and energy drink for me. They can't carry me go hospital run test. They say actually nothing they wrong with me. Then do all the tests possible. No malaria, nothing. They just say what I need, not just
rest.
Then I think what they list to some of all these things, you feel not the eat well because you did road, you know the rest well.
In fact, any small activity, any small activity, your body they change. I'll give you an example. So, okay, yesterday I went back and said, you know where? Okay, since the hospital, and this hospital they use, I was just saying that I can't go hospital. When I come to the hospital, when they come, they check everything. I can't say, man, I can't check my own vitals. They check my BP, they begin complain. Stay one place now. I said I did here. They talk for food. They collect the phone. Stop talking on the phone. I collect the phone. They press. They say stop pressing the phone. They do that in like 5 times. They say my BP no normal. I say look, I did drive since. I did traffic since, and I never eat today. They say make I calm down. Now I say when be the last time I get bed rest? I say no. So when I wake up, when I begin to say this man you need to rest. Your body needs rest because the way your BP be now. Say they come begin. I can't quiet, calm down. They can't say okay. You don't do normal, but say me like this. I need to rest. You understand? What if the stress I can't walk yesterday? I did drive go out. I meet plenty traffic. Just only inside traffic why I did. You know, say mentally everything. My body don't already the stress and all that. Not to go talk of person where they do rehearsal, they prepare for show, do rehearsal. Even you where they plan your show now, you don't know what mentally what they go through. I
don't reduce my stress. A quick show for my body. It's more fat where I gather. All everything with your body is pion. And they would feel say I go so sick. The thing I wait till you do once I finish, I'll drive go hospital go run my
just my test. Check your BP and all those things.
Check them. Then again, I go also advise. I think the same way artists they get photographer, managers, maybe they try to get medical personnel for their team. You get when you go before you go on stage, they'll check your vitals. Is your blood level okay? Is your high blood? You know all those things. I think they need to add and join their team right now. It's very important and very necessary.
You know, even that recent that thing for happen. You know they're around. I think Ibrahim 9 day at that time. Now when I get within medical people call say my sinus block. Now I make the code there as heavy as it did. Now nose I blow. As I blow and finish, now my eye on the turn. I just close my eye like this. I just say, Brian, look me. He say, your eyes are turning. Now so he just hold me because I sit down. Say, man, no touch it. Come collect my phone. Keep on for there. But that now I just blowing of nose alone. I ain't cost that whole. So I got call my sister-in-law will be medical doctor. She say, oh, not the reason why I feel that way now because of the nature of that of the sinus where it don't block. So that one don't affect eyes, that one not affect ears. Now make if I go feel like say my ears they close. She say now waiting they go on. Say as much as possible, as much as I they treat, make I still find time to rest. Especially
those of us we don't they rest. We're no young again.
You know I think the moment you don't cross 30, you need to watch your hair too.
Yes, so.
Because they talk on this money. Godwin, I don't like it. Get some things what they do before when I never reach 30.
I know they struggle to do.
I struggle to do. I can't tell me. I say I don't they use that do like. I not feel mention some of the thing like.
No, I know all those kind of ginger we could get to do plenty doing. Nowadays, you go down.
Nowadays they will be like, I bet leave me. I not feel do it. You get me?
Me some of these when I don't reach myself, when I don't shower, they watch TV like that. When they go, like, I want to rest, please. For me, I know they talk ahead. Man, I feel like after this Champions League, I won't sleep. I don't they announce just in case they won't call me.
They won't plan them.
You understand? But I mean, at the younger age, ginger the day. But you get some, you just say, look, you need to use your sense.
Okay,
make yourself rest.
Okay, moving forward right now. I don't know if you don't see the video of where first wife attack new wife. You don't see the video.
No.
So they say in Fulani culture setting, when a man they remarry, the bride Amaria.
Amaria.
Okay.
Amaria.
Amaria
na
new
wife.
Amaria.
They not put A for after the arrow.
The person knows spell.
Okay, they not spell. Okay. They say we go and greet the first wife to show respect. They say in this case, as the lady just stand on the new bride, one go greet the first wife. As you're near and then the first wife sees the opportunity. If you see the way he deck the new wife, person when the video camera evil fall, but the later on the show he follow up with her weller. So they can't say this is wrong. There's no justification to this art you get. So somebody can say she is not to be blamed. The person, the wife, the first one is to be blamed, not the culture of the new wife. They go greet the first one because not being started. They don't do one since then. Nobody get problem with her. So the first question why I now say, why wait till the wedding day to express
the anger don't build up?
So why not tell the husband?
Say tell the husband. Like man if he that kind of man want money more now. You go don't tell and say you either accept or leave. Maybe the man
so you the attack on wedding they go change anything.
Maybe the man don't give am the. So now I tell you, so now sometimes people they lose control. You never see all those women where we say pour water to the husband body or sometimes go say I didn't know it was the devil. Take water hand.
The devil go
take water hand knock person head when they say I didn't know it was the devil. You understand? They say I didn't know it was the devil. So at that point, the anger don't boil each one stage. For our mind, I want you to look now and say, this one won't come take my husband. He won't come scatter my family. Say maybe my family don't the value. Say I get husband, I get children, my family don't they. Now this one won't come break, scatter my family. Won't come, take all the attention from my husband. It vex. If you don't complain, the husband say, look, whether I like him or not, I want marry second wife. You either stay or you go. Say okay, she go stay because traditionally the man and Muslim weight guy entitled to marry more than one wife. So
if you decide to marry someone that is a Muslim, you should prepare your mind that you can't be the only wife.
Even the person don't even need to be Muslim.
Yeah.
Somebody like Femi Kuti already announced. Yeah. If you want date with me, I'll not be one woman man. So before you enter, just know say if you date me, if you just see me with somebody else, just take her like that. So it don't clear you from beginning. So if you want to be with her, you're going to be one woman man. That is why if you want to date a person, you go no. If you want to marry a Muslim, especially a practicing one from the north, say this man
prepare your mental state.
You go marry up to the 4 wife will be the limit where you get. So you go depend the woman, but of course she feel no fit do anything. Maybe that the only opportunity where she don't get to near this
on
babe.
Wedding day. I know be small fight.
And he just come out.
Exchange.
And he just come out. Like that.
The two of them.
The
new wife supposed to sue her for assault, but of course, our families they go settle family, but that's it. And then they go down that kind of thing. Now that lady now, you gonna say her life they in danger because if you come house, come meet old wife.
The husband need to do a lot. He need to put them for different house.
Maybe that the solution. Or tell the first one to come out.
I did just with my brother, which day be that when we did small. The place where they stay for Jos, they call them Rayfield. That one be like the GRA of Jos. So we get neighbor now. All nine separate us. The man no be Muslim. The man are Christian. He come from Lantang, one of the local governments of Plateau State. But he married 3 wives. He get 3 wives.
And the 3 wives they
and they stay together. They get their room. So one of those nights now. If we no get water, we go their place, go fetch water for well. So one of those nights, now come, they fight. The 2 of the wives, they fight with each other. Now the other one come tell and say, you no get husband, you no get husband, oh, you no get husband. Now the other one come tell and say, if you say you now understand how I speak am, he say, no matter what you talk, now my husband, he marry me, he pay my dowry. They just they exchange fights and see the children for there. They look.
One of the wives they tell the other one say you no get husband. I mean, when the man married the same 2 of them.
Married 3, boy, he married 3, and the 3 of them. So whether in a case of saying, "Na my turn today," no be your turn. Now cause the fight.
I don't think that you. I don't think how you could be like say I get like 2 wives. I don't.
Person like you for not like
I don't try to find out the advantages or disadvantages. And I get some things why they ask. Why I say one day I go, and maybe if I get chance, I feel ask my pastor. If I be married, get 2 wives now. If 3 of us at the same time, is 0.
No, it's not the wrong. It's part of the fun. I think that waiting most of our father.
If it is so much fun, why you never try him?
Because see anything you do under marriage,
if man get 2 wives, can't decide to make 2 of them come that night. You want to take 2 at the same time, make 3 of them do.
It's part of the fun.
Is it wrong? Now that one that they ask.
See, may I tell you, see this question where they ask. Some people they run out, but they don't agree talking. He get a lot of secrets when our forefathers hide from us. You get me? All these are what they teach, and we start on all these things. Our forefathers don't run on a low key.
So I need to know whether if the man will get 2 wives legally, they run 2 of them at the same time. What they got
threesome. You not dey wrong. You not dey wrong.
Other they wrong. I know.
If you marry for self now, one as far as they cooperate together, everybody know your position. Yeah, you first, you do this one, you do this one. Now part of the fun. Why I can't marry all of them if I not fear operate at the same time with you now? You get me? It's part of the fun. Can we move to that thing? See, I think this news. I think it show how some society they structured. It show how people know say, oh, this error now my responsibility. I got follow up with this error. So what happen? Japanese hotel boss commit suicide after news fall as I say he hotel spa bath water. He only changed twice in a year.
I don't understand. So
you know that spa water now?
Yes.
They're supposed to change them weekly. So for a good year. Not only 2 times they change the water. So as investigation review say, even bacteria don't decide the water when if he harm people when don't date here. Now the guy go Marty, go kill it, self. Come write letter saying not bear this thing. He knows saying that he fault certainly not being the one. You get me? He can't write a suicide note, but he shall take his own life. You get me? So reading through the comments, a lot of people say because for country like this, apart from the investigation they carry out, you fit spend years.
Yeah, you go jail definitely.
Certainly. So the my office said, "Oh, me going to jail. Go let me just take my own life." You get me? So why they share this news now and say, we not they advise anybody may take his own life, but there are more mistake when they heavier than this one don't commit for this country. When the law self not feel evil help us. Which language?
Catch the person, or
yes, may pay for them. Yesterday, so Nedu was talking about a story where this young, this couple they waited for I think 14 years.
14 years
to born. They can't born picking only for the true CS now. They can't cut the picking for head. Doctor mistake there. I see the picture. Very sad. I imagine a lot of things. When the picking can't die. Now the man. Because he not get money, say not know what he want to do. For me, I feel bodies, organizations, the government supposed to create an avenue where people like this when they not fit fight for their fight.
But then the organization like that, maybe the man never ask. The organizations like that where they carry that kind of thing. Like I know organizations where they fight for women. If you find out say maybe the man they abuse or picky where they rape, you understand? Organizations like that where they get lawyers where they carry such people case for head free of charge. The government they pay them and all.
I think we need to create more awareness.
Yes, they need to create more awareness and all.
Because even my friend too for this Lagos, I shared that story with you where the nurse give adult injection to the 2 weeks old baby instead of you when the nurse said nothing happened.
They said a mistake.
God, that is talk and say.
And that is why you go notice like for the local areas where this local black people they live for face me and face where poor people they stay. A lot of atrocities that happen there we will not hear because if for instance a man, I know a man will be say they're raping about a 19 or 20-year-old boy raping 10-year-old daughter. The whole area, the compound, when they tell the man, forgive her na small boy, na mistake. If you can't go now, you can't go jail. And the family. So they use emotional blackmail. So I think they look for progress. Everybody for the place go he be wicked person. You know if you forgive her, all of us there, and papa no get, and mama no get, want it. Now that kind of thing, that's why you go see so many of those things they go suppress and there because they go use sentiment.
The moment you suppress and you they create an opportunity to take for another person to make that kind mistake.
Yes,
the reason you see less mistake for other society
because law they go punish person for misbehavior.
An example don't they say this person mess up, see what happen to Ramu. Then the next person they try make sure. I feel so for Japan now, almost everybody now will pay attention to that their sport. Is it watch today?
If somebody they kill himself because they fear to go Japanese jail, what the person go do if one go Nigerian jail? Somebody's called their jail now like self-contained for Lekki now. No, you never see jail for Denmark.
Why they look down Lekki?
You never see jail for Denmark and Sweden and
Iceland.
All those Scandinavian countries.
Finest
the prison. Why I see them? If you want pay for Lekki, now 1.5 self-contained. I'm telling you,
with food though, with
flat screen TV. These cell get the bed alone, and some people need to sleep on for this Lagos. I'm telling you the truth.
So
imagine, say all those kind. somewhere like Japan now first world country, now very advanced. So you can the prison for Japan no go be like kiri here. The man see the fear to go. Meanwhile, people for Nigeria, if you know say Nigeria, if you go kiri, your life no go be the same.
It can never be the same again.
So go see person when Nigeria supposed to, if you want come go jail, so suppose jump from the motor come up. But
they don't get fear because they know how to take mago their way out of the whole matter.
No, they value human being. Yeah, we don't really value human beings.
Just this, when we talk this whole doctors wahala, I remember say get one particular hospital where be say if the wife won't born, they go always say your husband or your relative gas day with the wife, because they say that hospital then they're very good at switching babies. They go come tell you, either they go to come tell you say your pikin don't die, but they don't give them to, they say whether now pollution or something for ritual. So their pollution don't pay heavy to the hospital. Say anytime woman born, and if not so and so gender, bring the pikin.
When I want
I don't
for
forget
this country,
the state for this country, for this country. So most times the husband or relatives gas they there. Once they don't born the pikin, they go observe the pikin so that in case they won't go switch the pikin for another one, they say lie. You see this particular this thing for the pikin body. Okay. That's not the only way to stop her.
Yeah. Okay, so moving forward right now, may I leave the Kardashians family first? Because a lot of people they criticize Khloe Kardashian for the fact say he posted his boyfriend Tristan Thompson, who don't cheat on her severally, but he not send, he still manage there with the guy because you know what thing they actually look for. But now, what I want to really focus on the Kardashian family, I think Kim and the other lady, this Khloe itself. Now they'll be front runner when it comes to plastic surgery. The two of them before now don't go remove her. The next person don't remove the surgery when they do. Don't go on one. Don't go become. Don't even promote normal body. Guest person went one recently. Black China go remove almost all. She said she go continue to remove from her cheeks, from her lips, all those shots when they take. You don't go come out. The silicone when you put for, you don't go reduce her. And you will say he go continue to down because now he don't see the need. Say he go dey more heady, natural because they more heady. You know what he passed through all those process. Now, God, one of the biggest problem we get for this world now, people like this one just make mention of. I don't know. I want to assume. I feel sometimes these people are giving money to push some agenda heavily. Because they're pushing that agenda. I mean, say most people would approach that business and do that business with more money for the business.
Because people, they're very, very easy.
Gullible.
Easy to deceive. So anything, and some people don't make them as their standard. Their mentors.
So anytime they say do this, I'm doing. They don't even know to say do this. The moment they go under the knife, do surgery, whether on this and that, everybody.
So that way the Kardashians don't go to remove their own. So all the people where they inspire go remove their own.
And guess what? They did once years ago. We not agree. Now that we join the trade, people were showing us. Then they come up for the trade.
Even that Black China, he got some years ago. He got one runs was supposed to part do now. When she come
Nigeria.
In America, he call me from there. Say we was supposed to do one run, but we not agree for price.
Serious?
She got the price. I got the one that
not be you.
Not be they do cream and all those.
This thing.
You know she got her own clean, which they make white person.
No, I think that this girl be that too. Not be Black China be that. With this
Nigerian this girl will be Cameroonian.
Densha,
yeah, and they mix up with Black China. Black China, I be that stripper, former stripper.
Okay,
Densha, now that
Densha still do body now.
Maybe sister go remove her own very soon. Now that one, I get one runs one time like that, but we no agree for price because she dey price me
cheap. You know what they shock me in all of this. Now comment. Now the fact say people now when they don't join the train, guess what they say justify? It's China own a silicon, our own a BBL.
Story. All of them I say adjustment.
All of them get disadvantage on the long run. Most people don't go tell you waiting they pass after they do the surgery. Sometimes they don't if you waka. They know the people food from mark. They know the people go. They don't sit down.
They don't sit down for normal chair. They go put. We get what? Okay, we'll do.
When I don't watch before.
But yes, now not when they correct most of the wrong.
I don't know whether you see this particular girl. She don't add to her back, and she says she still want me there.
If you see any of those babes where they
don't pay them,
when they carry specialized foam, say you want to sit down there. I like the chair to be soft.
Because they're not sit down normally.
They don't do them. The thing never done rich.
And really, any of those TVs to people when they appear, I feel they are being paid to just push their agenda to make it look normal. Even for this Nigeria, I want call and rumor. You get somebody when televise his own. Dwan, he show everything, put up for YouTube. I hear say they actually pay her money. Because in the Dwan, they be like, oh, the young lady go say, if you feed Dwan, me feed Dwan too.
Exactly.
She be show everybody. But and notice how the trend don't take change. See, she herself Dwan. Almost everybody for Lagos start they gather money
because
to go.
Because indirect marketing now. Once girls they look and say that the standard be that, then they go drive flashy car, drive this, go be like, say, okay, now if you get this kind of money, now you go attract the right kind of person. So they go follow them. Now normal follow things, and they go on for this.
It just be like what this woman do with Kaya Mata.
Kaya Mata.
What be this girl name? Jaruma. Even at this thing when she they said when they take the home man, she not feel that take her Okada driver husband. When she be married, they pretend.
Wait, so the only
but guess what? She made millions of naira out of the gullibility of young people.
She know they like applying to her own men. Now other people men.
That 10 million where she promised Thatcher, she give her.
Which 10 million?
If you see Tasha, ask her.
You don't give her any 10 million.
Anyway, now I'll be there right now. Join us tomorrow morning from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.